Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, the background looks disgusting right now. I recently just moved into a condo and we got a partially finished basement. The majority of the basement is finished, but we have this random little room and honestly, it looks like a torture room. But I kind of wanted to make a couple videos as I redecorate and make this room hopefully look somewhat cute. My goal is to eventually turn it into a little salon room because I am a hairstylist. So today we are going to start it off with the redecorating. I'm going to make this wall, this big white wall here, a CD wall. Hopefully I have enough CDs to cover it. I don't know, we'll see. But if you've seen any of my previous videos, I did have a little bit of a CD wall in my last place. So I have tons of CDs to work with. I'm actually sitting on the box right now. So I'm just gonna kind of time lapse going through it. It's probably going to take me forever, but yeah. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is wiping down this little floor, like right along the wall, because there are a ton of massive spiders. This is my light. Ignore that. I'm having this really chronic fear that spiders are gonna drop down on my head. Oh God, that's a big one. Oh no, what do I do? So that was a lot. I feel like I need to spray the wall down. I am trembling right now. I just feel like they're all around here. Like, look at these ceilings. They have to be. Okay, so we're on day 2 already. Haven't done a single thing. I ended up spraying the wall. I let it sit for the day because it smelled. So I have all of this putty and I'm basically just gonna sit here and putty all of them. So my camera died, so I have to be kind of quick, but this is as far as I got. Believe it or not, this took me like 3 hours probably. The purple ones, those are DVDs, and then these ones right here are CDs. These ones right here, I did every other one, and those are like old computer games. So they're all different colors, and all of the CDs and DVDs and everything that I actually got from friends and family and Goodwill. So I didn't go out and purchase a bunch. I didn't spend a lot of money to get all of these. So I'm just trying to work with what I have. I just wanted to pop in throughout this time lapse to share some changes I made while doing this. First, I started using Scotch removable mounting putty, placing 4 small pieces of it around the CDs. When I ran out, I decided to switch to Loctite Fun-Tac mounting tabs and only stuck 2 pieces on each CD, one on the top and one on the bottom. This made it so much quicker and easier, so I would definitely recommend using it if you're going to try this yourself. What you're not seeing during this time lapse is that I actually spent hours putting the putty on the CDs beforehand so that I could apply them all at once each day. Lastly, I just wanted to share how many CDs I used in total. I used exactly 599 discs for this wall, 320 were DVDs, the purple, and 279 were CDs, the silver green. I did 10 rows of 32 DVDs and 9 rows of 31 CDs. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that it was helpful to anyone interested in doing this. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have a personal account and a professional account that I post all of my work on. I am a little bit more active on that account as well. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.